Good morning. Still lockdown today and waiting for another 2 weeks of strict lockdown. I was continuing my project. So this is the final moment. See the edges I do. Remember, this is a recycled waste, recycled furniture. I put a bit of design here, just using a chisel. See the final. I do this so that you can fold it like that for easy transporting, and it's movable. You don't want there. Very simple there. Now I'm gonna try and fit into his small room. Here, a bed, a cabinet, and
Let there be light. Alright. The table fits inside here. Exactly. Okay. You have computer here. Sit on this sofa. See the sofa here. Put your computer here. You can sit here like a king, like this, and do your job, do your office work here. Alright, that's all, folks. I hope you have a good day, despite of this COVID. I'm happy with my project.